Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again. I'm still on my CHALK COUTURE high and we will be working on this transfer Love with the Heart, and we'll be using the crafty block from Michaels, and it's a glass block. And then we will also be using this glitter balls, and I got this from Hobby Lobby on sale, on clearance. And we'll also be using this chalk paste black velvet, and I haven't opened this yet, so I'll open this in a few. Of course, we have our towel here to use to fuzz the transfer, and a water bath. Of course, we have our squeegee and also our multi-tool here that we use to stir our paste. Let me just go ahead and take out the label here. Turning our block, and we will take out the label at the back. I'm now spraying the block with rubbing alcohol, and so that I can clean it. I'll clean both sides. This glass block has an opening where you can put lights, or in my case, I'm going to put those glitter balls. And I'm turning this around and making sure that it is clear and smudge free. Okay, so it's now time to open our chalk paste, and I'm going to just go ahead and open it, take out the foil, and then we're going to stir it, adding some water to make it to the consistency of a yogurt or a sour cream. Okay, let's put that on the side. So this block here is a 7.5 by 3 inches. Let's go ahead and fuzz our love heart. This is a new transfer, so we're gonna have to fuzz it. Let's go ahead and fuzz it with our towel here. I'm using a kitchen towel here to fuzz it, but you can fuzz it if you don't have anything around you handy. Just go ahead and use your pants or your shirt or anything that you could use to fuzz your new transfers. I think that's good enough. Okay, let's go ahead and center this. I'm gonna get off screen for a few seconds. I just wanted to make sure, hold on. I just wanted to make sure that I'm centering it, so. I think that's centered enough. Oh, needs to go up a little bit. I think this needs to get fuzzed a bit more because it's really sticky to the glass. So I'll fuzz it a bit more. Fuzzing it a bit more, guys. Okay, off screen for a few minutes or a few seconds here. Okay, I think that's centered enough. Then we're gonna have to make sure that this is tacked on without bubbles. I'll bring in my trusty squeegee. Okay. Okay guys, because we're using a black paste here, anything dark paste for CHALK COUTURE, expect them to stain your transfers. So just want to give you guys that heads up. Okay, and then we need to clean this up a bit. Put the excess back. Okay, cleaning this up a bit more. Okay guys, revelation time. This is the best part.
Oh, wow.
It's really stuck, but oh my goodness, look how cute it is. And then of course, you dunk it face down on your water bath right away. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and put my squeegees and my multi-tool in there. Clean around the edges of my jar here so it won't get stuck. What I've noticed too is if I don't clean the edges and the top of the jar of the paste, tends to stick. So another thing that I've heard, or I am going to try doing, is squeeze or spritz water onto the jar before I close it up. Just hopefully keep it moist in there because it's so dry here in Vegas. And I'll let this dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the glitter balls. Put that on the side. Open up the glitter balls because I want to mix up these two colors here. Open this up and start putting some of the balls in. And here's our project, you guys. I hope you like it. I had so much fun creating it, and I really enjoyed it. Very easy as usual for a CHALK COUTURE. You have the cutest projects afterwards. You can go ahead and display this, put it up, put a ribbon around it. You know what? Let me do that now. Here you guys go. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Came out really cute. I'm loving it. I hope you like it. I love it. So I have my website down in the description below if you're interested in CHALK COUTURE and the products. And if you'd like to join, I also have a VIP group in Facebook. If you could please search for VIP CHALK COUTURE with Scrapbooks Hawaii and join it. I will have some specials there. Unfortunately, designers, CHALK COUTURE designers, you can't join. That's my special group where I give discounts to my friends and family who would like to have some CHALK COUTURE goodness. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.